Welcome back to Primetime News, and again a special welcome if you're using our online platform, onespotmedia.com. Despite pressure to halt a planned deportation flight from the United Kingdom with up to 50 Jamaicans, the UK is not backing down. The matter dominated today's sitting of the UK Parliament, with government officials insisting that those scheduled for deportation this week committed serious crimes. But some Windrush defenders are concerned. Vashon Brown has the details.
The flight with the Jamaicans is scheduled to leave the UK on December 2. The last UK Home Office charter flight to Jamaica was in February. Some Windrush defenders in the UK, like Anthony Brown, are concerned.
Our concerns are that some of them could be descendants of the Windrush generation. Many of them have families in the UK. There's about 30 children that are involved, and not enough consideration has been given to the family life of the children.
It's reported that the move will separate 31 children from their fathers. This is also happening in the midst of a pandemic. There have been more than 1.6 million confirmed cases of coronavirus in the UK.
In terms of those people now being sent back to Jamaica, there's a risk. I mean, obviously there's going to be checks and everything, but you never know with these things. So that is a major concern.
82 black public figures, including model Naomi Campbell, urged airlines not to carry the Jamaicans on the Home Office deportation flight. Jamaica's High Commissioner to the UK, Seth Ramakan, told Britain's Guardian newspaper that the High Commission made representations to the Home Office and an agreement has been reached not to deport those who arrived in Britain under the age of 12. UK Parliamentary Under-Secretary of State for the Home Department, Chris Phillip, faced questions about the matter today in the House of Commons.
This charter flight to Jamaica is specifically to remove foreign criminals. The offences committed by the individuals on this flight include sexual assault against children, murder, rape, drug dealing and violent crime.
Of course, we recognise that those who engage in violent and criminal acts must face justice. But we also hear that at least one person on that flight has a Windrush generation grandfather, another whose great aunt was on the HMT Windrush, another whose grandfather fought in the Second World War for Britain. It's clear that we have not yet established just how far the consequences of the Windrush injustice extend.
Over 50 MPs have written a letter to the Home Secretary urging her to cancel the planned deportation. Members of the diaspora group Advocacy Matters for You have also written to Prime Minister Andrew Holness asking him to intervene. Vashon Brown, TVJ News.